All right, this is example 2 in section 3.3. We're asked to determine two numbers that differ by 28 and whose product is a minimum. So you really need to start thinking about how to set up an equation for this one, because you're not given very much to go off. So let's let x be our first number, and let's let y be the second number. And, well, we know that they have to differ by 28, so we'll get that y minus x equals 28, or we can rearrange that and say that y is equal to x plus 28. Okay, so that's one part of this problem. Let's look at now whose product is a minimum. So we can say the product between these two numbers is equal to x times y. And well, we just rewrote y as x plus 28. Remember now, this is quadratic, so you should be trying to get to a quadratic equation here, which you can see that when we multiply this out, we'll have x squared plus 28x. So that's what our product between these two numbers will be. So we can find the minimum by finding the x-coordinate of the vertex. So x is going to be equal to minus b over 2a. So we'll have negative 28 divided by 2 times 1 is negative 14. Okay, so we know one of the two numbers is going to be negative 14. We can go back now all the way over here on the left and solve for y. Negative 14 plus 28. Well, that gives us a positive 14. So the two numbers, so our two numbers are negative 14 and positive 14. And now let's just find what the product of those two numbers is, or what the actual minimum value is. And remember, the minimum occurs at the vertex. That's why we found the x-coordinate of the vertex. Or that's why we know that we could use that to solve for one of the numbers at least. So this will be our y value of the product, which is the minimum point, 196. That's what that works out to be. So there you go. This is the product, and that's the actual minimum, but your two numbers are negative 14 and 14.